Why are there not more people talking about the iRobot Roomba Y3 Plus EVO? This thing is a game changer. This little robot is a cleaning powerhouse, boasting a 3-stage cleaning system and 10x powerlifting suction. It tackles dirt and debris from every corner of your home effortlessly. But here's the kicker, it empties itself. Yes, you heard that right. Thanks to the CleanBase automatic dirt disposal, the i3 Plus EVO can go up to 60 days without needing you to lift a finger. This smart vacuum doesn't just roam around aimlessly. With advanced mapping technology, it learns your home's layout and cleans specific rooms on demand. You can control it through the iRobot Home app, or even with voice assistants like Google Assistant and Alexa. Got a high traffic area that gets extra messy? No problem. The Roomba Y3 Plus EVO's Dirt Detect technology zeroes in on those spots and gives them extra attention. Long battery life, personalized scheduling, and seamless compatibility with your smart home setup make this robot vacuum a true cleaning companion. Say goodbye to chores and hello to more free time with the iRobot Roomba Y3 Plus EVO. Check out the link in the description and get it now.